Hey, welcome to day 14. What can you see? Cute little thing dancing? Find out what. Get your watercolors, brushes, a pencil, a glue, any kind of glue that you have at home, a cup of salt, yes, table salt, and a glass of water. We had a remaining half sheet from yesterday's session. Just take that and outline a reindeer. Yes, it's a cute little reindeer for the Christmas season. Draw oval and then a half circle on top of it. Draw little ears and cute little horns, the eyes and a mouth. Yes, we have the reindeer ready. So just erase I was just tracing it, so erase the places which are not right. Take your glue now and start tracing the glue on top of the drawing that you have done. Slowly do it on the reindeer with the horns, starting with the horns like this. Yes, you can ask your kids to draw this any image that they could draw, and I'm going to do that on the whole of the reindeer. Yes, whole reindeer is now traced. Salt that you have, and before that just place it on a sheet, on a polythene sheet or a paper, so that we don't have the extra spill here and there. So I'm just taking the salt and just spreading on the reindeer that we traced. Make sure that you cover up the complete glue part of it, spread it everywhere, and then take off the excess salt like this and move it away. Do not use the salt again because we have touched that with the glue. So take the color. Reindeer horn is going to be in dark brown, so I take the color, make it very watery, and then just touch it using the brush. If you touch it on the salt, it just gets spreads very beautifully. It gets spread, so make sure the paint is more watery so that it is evenly spread, and it gives a nice feel to it. It looks like a crystal, it looks like a snow, and for the kids it's very easy to draw. Even if it's a very small kid, you can do the glue part. The salt and this painting can be done by the kids of the small ones. So I'm just dabbing, just dab little, don't press the brush, just keep it on the, like, slowly how I am keeping it. Keep the color on the place, on the salt that you have done. So you can do it again also. And now quickly I'm going to trace the whole of the face with the ears using a light brown, just to give a difference. I'm just doing the same technique using a light brown. Now it is ready. The mouth part I'm going to do it with the red color. So please make sure the kids do this. It's very easy, and they love the way it gets spread. It gets spread so quickly, and they can keep doing on it again and again. When you have a quick closer watch, you can see it's like a snow. It's like an embossed effect which the kids will really love. And we are using the glue which is for kids, and also the salt, so no harm, no chemicals. I'm just writing Merry Christmas, and this is my favorite font, just keeping dots on all the edges of the capital letters that we have written. So quickly I have written Merry Christmas. It seems to be there is some space around the side, so I'm drawing a heart and doing the same technique. So even if you wanted to do small pieces of it, you can do like this. Do only the salt on that place, take off the salt and start coloring. Whenever you wanted to add any new elements to the painting, you can very well do it. It will not disturb the other side of the paint. So don't worry about it and start doing it. I just finished with the cute heart. It's so easy. I wanted all the kids to try any image. Parents can trace the glue and then give it. It's just a nice glossy effect, and the cute reindeer is ready for our Christmas.